Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about embedded systems. First, let us see what embedded systems are. It is a combination of computer hardware and software. Meaning it has the functionality of a hardware and a software being implemented in it, designed to perform a specific function. So it means some embedded systems are designed to perform a specific task or a specific functionality. For example, a computer printer, it is being designed for a function of printing. Real-time system. Real-time system means it has time constraint. That means a specific task has to be completed within the time frame. For example, in a aircraft, in a specific time frame, it has to be landed. And also we can take an example of a chemical industry in which pressure and temperature are being measured in a specific time constraint. You can see examples for embedded systems such as home appliances. Most used home appliances such as washing machine, microwave oven, printer are examples for embedded system. Smartphones are also examples for embedded systems. Thank you very much. We'll see you in the next video.